everyone, so how are you? 2019 for me has been a bit up and down, nothing much to talk about until I threw myself into the deep end with an event called PlannerFest, held in Manchester at the end of July. What can Silhouette Studio do for the planner in you is the masterclass in printing and cutting stickers. I had a really great time talking Silhouette Studio for an hour. Well, you know how I love to talk. And so the lovely planners who attended didn't have to remember everything I said that day. I also created a 50-page PDF workbook and 4 tutorial videos for the PlannerFest YouTube channel. The PDF workbook starts right at the beginning, getting to grips with Silhouette Studio and creating your first shapes. Using original artwork and a planner doodle, the videos show you how to create custom stickers you can use again and again. Now I'm truly hooked on all things planner. Stickers, bullet journaling, being organised, practicing my doodling skills. I'm all ready to start making videos again. All the links to the PlannerFest PDF book and the videos are in the description below. The PlannerFest YouTube channel is new, and if you can subscribe and show them some love, that would be most excellent. You might even see me pop up over there too. Thanks for supporting me this past year, even though it has been very, very, very quiet around here. I'll see you again soon, and we'll get creative with Silhouette Studio.